Hi, it's Maggie. It's Thursday, and the prompt today for the 10th is to use multiple photos. I only have 2, but that still counts. I'm using Pink Fresh. This is pictures from, I think it was a Monday, because over the weekend, we cleaned out the garage and organized and, put all winter clothes and totes, put the winter clothes in totes and boots and totes and hung them up on the wall on a shelf. And I don't know, we must have hit a nest of ants or something. I don't know, but we disturbed them and they came in the house. I don't know where they got in. I don't know how. So if you look at the pictures, I tore my house upside down. I hate ants. The picture with Archer kind of laying on the chair is actually on its back, and the couch is on its front. The furniture is really heavy, and to move it across the room, I couldn't do by myself. So I just flipped them. And I probably spent 8 hours that day just vacuuming. Vacuumed under everything. Vacuumed everything. Inside the couch. Flipped the couch over. Vacuumed behind it. Flipped the rug over. Vacuumed under it. Put the couch back. Then put the rug back. Vacuum the rug again. And then do the same on the other side, on the front side of the couch. Then I did it with the chair, and because they're everywhere. If one comes in, they're just everywhere, and I can't stand them. We haven't had them for a couple years, and I thought we were good, but when the house was first built, we used to get them every spring. I would joke to my husband that pretty sure the builder built the house on an anthill, because we would just get ants in the spring every year. But it's been a couple years. I thought we were good. Nope. So we run the vacuum every day, just to make sure there's no crumbs. Now, I decided I wanted to use an old an old Freckled Fawn. Oh my goodness. It's early. A Freckled Fawn embellishment kit. And I wanted to use those cork tickets, and I'm just sitting here thinking, just put it away because you don't use it. I use the one on the bottom that's already stuck to the page, but that one I keep moving around, I don't use it. So that 3x4 tag says, "Real life is imperfect. Embrace the glorious mess that you are." Now I'm going to use this stamp set. It's from Catherine Pooler, and it's called Spring Cleaning stamp set, I believe. Spring or just Spring Cleaning. I picked out all the purpley embellishments because you got to get purple on a page when you can, right? I use those pink enamel dots. And I guess I wasn't paying attention because when I first put them down, I put down one color, and then the second one I put down, I put a different color, and I'm like, that doesn't look right. But this is the first page of the day, so if you follow me, you know that's my hardest, just to find that groove. Yeah, see, look, I'm like, what? Yes, but Archer was very tired watching me vacuum all day long. Here's the close-ups. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.